Hey, this is Mike, and today's stock of the day is Marathon Digital Holdings. Marathon trades on the Nasdaq on symbol MARA. The stock was down almost 16% yesterday, down to 42.97. It is up 1% in the pre-market. So, if you've been holding the Bitcoin mining stocks like Marathon and Riot, you'd be wondering why is the stock down so much? We have Bitcoin hitting new highs. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin. Well, the answer is pretty simple. It's just that Coinbase went public yesterday and got a lot of investor interest. And I think people sold shares of their Bitcoin miners to buy Coinbase. People are not selling their shares in Microsoft or, Tesla or Disney to buy Coinbase. They're selling the Bitcoin miners or anything closely related to Bitcoin. So as you can see here, Coinbase was up 31% from its initial price of 250, and it's up another 10% to the pre-market. So we may see a little more selling in Marathon. However, I do think anytime you see a stock fall down big and the fall is through no fault of their own, that's always a great buying opportunity. And I think over the long term, Marathon's going to do really well. Now, another thing that's been frustrating people about the Bitcoin miners is that Marathon is not hitting new highs like Bitcoin has. However, if you look over the past 6-month chart, you can see Marathon was seen at $2.76. Now it's at 43. That's a 2,100% rise at the same time that Bitcoin rose about 600%. Now, usually the miners give you like a 2-to-1 leverage. So ideally, Marathon would be up 1,200% if Bitcoin's up 600%. So maybe Marathon does have to take a little bit of a rest. However, over the long term, if you plan to hold the Bitcoin miners over a period of 5 to 10 years, you're going to see that 2-to-1 leverage if there's nothing wrong with the company, and that gives you a nice advantage over just owning Bitcoin. So that's why when you see these big discounts in the Bitcoin miners, you should probably consider, buying in and, lowering your average cost. That's going to give you a nice opportunity here. Now, if you want to do a trade for the short term, I don't recommend buying Marathon right now because it could get down a little more. However, as a long-term trade, you get in at a pretty good price because, like I said, it's going to give you that 2-to-1 leverage. And I do think over the long term, Bitcoin's going to perform extremely well. And that means Marathon is going to do really well. So that's why I'm going to be buying more Marathon today. Maybe take a look at it. It might go down a little bit, but that's not going to bother me because, like I said, my holding period is going to be about 10 years. So go ahead and check out Marathon Digital Holdings. Once again, it trades on the Nasdaq on symbol MARA. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, stock trading strategies, and market updates. Talk to you later.